friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new profile review. And in today's video, what I have with me is some decoration stuff. Right, we have stickers today, and this is from Crystal stickers. That's what we have right now.
Also, small stickers are like this.
Yeah, so we have stickers here from Crystal stickers. These are multi-purpose, decorative, craft and craft usable stickers. Yes, we have bought them for diya decoration. So guys, let's go ahead with the review of this. So guys, starting off with the packaging, it comes packaged in the simple packaging right here with the name Crystal stickers right on top, and multi-purpose decorative and craft usable stickers is mentioned right here. On the back of the pack again we can see Crystal stickers written here, multi-purpose decorative and craft usable stickers available. Now what all you can use it for? You can use it for decorating your home decoration, computer landscaping as well. You can use it for your mugs, coffee mugs, on your car, to decorate the car interior as well. Or basically, like she said, for diyas, to decorate the diyas also we can use it. For whole of Diwali decoration we can use these stickers. So look at this amazing range of designs that are out there from Crystal stickers. Yeah. So all these wonderful designs are available, so you all can choose from. So this is a very wonderful range with very different types of stickers available. Yeah, this one also. So these are smaller ones that she has. She wants to show them. So these ones as well. Yes. So guys, if you all are looking to buy these such kind of stickers online, these are available on Amazon. I have left a link in the description below. You all can check it out from there. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.